If you've been looking for an AI animation tool, you've probably come across ToonBee. But in 2026, is it actually worth trying? Or is it just another overhyped platform? After checking it out, I'd say ToonBee is a solid option, especially if you want to create animated videos without spending hours learning complicated software. The interface is beginner-friendly, and it comes with ready-made characters, templates, and AI-powered features that make video creation much faster. What I liked most is how quickly you can turn a simple idea into an animated explainer, social media video, or even educational content. It's clearly designed for creators, marketers, and small businesses that need content without hiring an animator. That said, it's not perfect. If you're looking for Hollywood-level animations or complete creative freedom, you might find some limitations. Some customization options still feel a bit restricted compared to professional animation software. Overall, though, ToonBee delivers on what it promises. For beginners and anyone wanting fast, affordable animated videos, it's definitely worth considering in 2026. If your goal is speed and simplicity rather than studio-quality animation, ToonBee is a tool that's well worth trying.